Hello, it's an intro for working with our CRM system at vertex.ru. Now we are on a homepage. Signing up is free. You have to fill your data and receive an email. After signing up, you are moved to My Projects page. That's how looks enter into your project. What is project? It's an admin access where all activity will be produced. After signing up, you have got only two projects. Project Partner is for installation with your future webmasters. What does it mean? In our CRM system, we provide CPA engine free of charge for inviting webmasters and setting rates and rewards for every lead. They have got their personal balance and accounting of leads they gave you. That's how looks partnership page, which is provided by our service. There is all your offers. Webmasters can enter and get a reward. Now let's have a look at project demo. It's required for working with our CRM system. This project has no time limit, but has a limit of 50 leads. Here you can test almost entire functional of our service. Let's enter with Enter to the Project button. So we're in. Pay your attention on statuses: processing, callback, accepted, consult, and so on. These statuses tune up manually, but by default you've got all basic statuses. It shows your business process including trades. To create an extra status, you have to open Settings, Statuses. Adding new status, you must choose Status Group. Status Group shows stage of your status. Let's clarify it with an example. You'll create a callback status. So it refers to processing group, or you'll create waiting for payment. So it refers to sent to group. Numeral in your status means number of your orders. Status have colored highlighting, which shows your group reference. Orders can be moved manually as well as automatically. Let's say you want your orders moved from processing to consult in 7 days. You can tune it in status settings through timeout item. Let's move to admin access. Here's order table with a certain info in each column. Now we'll check basic items. ID is unique number of your order. An operator column is operators login have accepted or cancelled the order. Goods column displays names of your goods from the store. Webmaster column shows webmaster's login who provides order or is properly lead to you. Time column shows your customer time according to each time zone. Commentary column is service field for operator and usually used for adding commands like busy, no answer, client has complaints, wants something specific, and so on. Total column is the total price after processing. This value is printed on postal form as cash on delivery. Quantity column shows total quantity of goods included in the order. Country, index, city, full name, phone. These fields contains all info about client. Label column contains information about UTM mark or sub-ID if order has it. So, if you're advertising your good in different social networks, publics, you add different UTM marks for best tracking of your conversation. Source column shows from where the order has come. From landing, API, through any integration, created manually or downloaded from Excel. It's got several ways. IP column shows customer's IP. If you see the same IP on different orders from one webmaster, so you've got the reason to clarify why it is happening. Also, it will be registered if webmaster has the same IP as the client has. Reference column contains the last reference from where order has come. Time spent column shows the time from visit of your landing to approval. If time spent about 2 or 3 seconds, so it's probably fake order. Source, IP, reference, and time spent are columns which can show you're cheating. Unnecessary columns you can disable from Select Columns menu. You can mark every column you don't want to use in your admin access. Also, you can move every column for your comfort. You just need to capture the column and move it anywhere you like. All orders from your admin access you can download from Excel by using Export button. You'll download Excel file which contain all your orders, and the structure will be the same as in your admin access. Now, pay attention to Advanced Search button. Advanced Search will help you to find special orders using filters. You can group your orders by different factors: date of income, edit date, approved date, canceling, buyout or refund, UTM marks, voice message status, availability of exact goods, or any client's data. All data you find you can upload in Excel and analyze it in any other systems. Now let's see how looks order card. To open order card you have to press pencil icon or ID number. When you push it, you open order card edit. There are a lot of options. Let's sort it out. Order card contains all fields you have to fill with client's data. Pay your attention to buttons on the upper side. Each button just moves an order in the status bind to exact button. Recall button has special logic. It set time and reason of calling back. For example, no answer, call back in 15 minutes. The order will be planned in stated time. On blue field, you can find all technical information about the order, when and where it come from, its source, reference, and client's local time. If you need more fields in order card, you need to open Settings, Form Fields. You can enable to 15 extra fields for your specific requirements. Further, let's see Call button. Its primary function of our service as we are CRM telephony. Clicking this button you can make a call right from your browser. We answered fake numbers so we couldn't make a call. Also, you can send text message with option send SMS. You can choose any pattern or text, for example, your parcel delivered. When you save your changes, SMS will be sent automatically. Now, let's try to add some goods into an order. We can see 2 items, ring and necklace. You can increase item amount. Increasing items amount, the price will be also increased. We can see that when we change items amount and get another total price. We already filled this order card and made a call, checked data, sent SMS, and now we can accept our order. We moved our order with ID number 19 is in accepted status by pressing Approve button. So let's check it. Yes, we got our data correct and the order is in accept status. Now we can make post form to send this order. Press print blanks and choose any tag we need. Let's take 7A first class. The card will be formed with sender data and recipient's data from order card. Also, you can set adjustment for automatic calculation of post rates. Our support team can help you with it. Beside individual, you can make group order editing. There is a change status button. It can change status for a specific order as far as for all orders from the status. As example, let's click processing. Pay attention to logic of this button. If you never mark any orders, this button will accept choosing status to all orders. But if you marked any special orders, this button will accept status just for them. Through Export menu, you can upload a data via Excel or API. Uploading Excel files we explained above. And now about API uploading. You can set it up with services you need. Also, we can consult you with our documentaries. The next button, Print Blanks, will allow you to print all standard form from our system and a personal form. Probably you want to add any personal inviting to event or business card for your clients. You can also use it as a mass operation, like uploading orders from Excel, track number assignment, filling any fields with the data, and so on. You can find it in More menu. For more details, you can contact with our support team. After you learn about our demo project, you can create your real one. Before creating your real project, you have to check your balance. There must be monetary sum in accordance with your tariff. You can also contact our support team or order a call to help you to choose more appropriate tariff. Our agent will contact you in 10-15 minutes or any your convenient time. All tariffs are on the tariffs page, but if you have any problems with it, our support team will help you. So let's go back to my project page. To recharge your balance, choose Balance menu and fill up balance. Here you can choose any proper method of payment: credit card, Yandex Money, Paymaster, and so on. Now we see our balance already recharged, so we can create our own project. Click My Project, Create New. During creating, you have to name your project. For example, if you're going to sell watches, you can name your project Watch. After creating, a new system domain will be given to you. As example, watchleadvertex.info. Further, choose your tariff or click Create New Project. We choose Standard Tariff and click Add New Project. Let's check some options there. After renewal means if you have enough funds on your account, your project will be extended. After renewal, uniques means if you run out of unique visitors which been given to you by tariff, and if you have enough funds in your account, your project will be also extended. And another option, clone settings from the project, allow you to copy settings from your project to another. As for now, we have got only demo project. We will choose this option for copying settings we already adjust. It is very convenient if the testing, adjusting your project, and then just copy it from one into another. In your new project, you've got the same as in your demo project. So, you created your project. What's next? As usual, you just set these items. Applying for landing, you can give a link to a landing without access to your hosting. We will adopt it to your platform and upload it in 2 business days. It's free of charge. After adopting, requests from your landing will come into your project. To apply for landing, press Support, Create Ticket. Here you can write, I need to move my landing on this link. You'll be given an answer. Work on your request will be complete in 2 or 3 business days. Next, you can adjust access to your account for a call center operator. For this adjustment, you have to click Operators, Invite Operators. Then you need to enter emails, just one in line, and mark individual settings and statuses you want to give access to your operators. When you finish, click Send an Invitation. Next, you need to adjust telephony for accepting calls right from your browser. You have to click Settings, Telephony, and add necessary data, login, password, and phone number. SMS settings. You need to click Settings, SMS Distribution, SMS Templates, and create SMS pattern with special text for substitute client name, address, track number into message. Also, you have to adjust post forms. You need to click Settings, Post and Courier Service. Another useful function is robotic calls. It is very simple because it will be adjusted by our support team for free. You just need to write a ticket with your full design. For example, you want to make a call to all orders which status shows that a parcel at the post office for 20 days and ask to buy them out. Or if you want a robot to call to client on behalf of the law department. This design will be set by our agents. Just remain to add items into your warehouse. You have to click Warehouse, Product List, and add all goods you'll be used in your project. As example, you want to sell a ring and necklace, and add extra item to choose it by operators from order card. It is a basic functional affairs service you need to know to start working. Except this intro, we also got good structured knowledge base for every our settings and FAQ page with commonly asked questions. All links we will give in this intro's description. Thank you for your attention.